Hello and welcome back to today's class. We'll proceed with the study of sequence and series. I'll drop the classes we have done so far in the study of sequence and series in this video description. So check the description, you'll see a link that will take you to our first classes in the study of AP, GP, whatever. Right? So let's look at the concept of sum of GP. So last class we dealt with the end term of a GP and the introduction last class. So look at what we refer to as the sum of GP. When we come to sum of GP, initially we have dealt with sum of AP. Now we're looking at now sum of what the GP. For sum of AP, to recall, when it comes to AP, the sum of an AP Sn is equal to n over 2 into a plus l as discussed last class, or better still, I can still express this man as saying Sn is equal to n over 2 into 2a plus n minus 1. Of course, I have d as in this case. So said these two are simply the mathematical expression you use when it comes to finding the sum of AP. Now we are dealing with what the sum of GP. Please, they're not the same thing. For sum of GP here, there are two formulas attached to this one here. This one is just still one formula. It's just that L has other expression, which is what this stuff here. This one here has two different expression, and here's the tax. Each expression, or perhaps each formula, has a condition guiding it. So whenever you have a GP and then you get a value of R, and your R, perhaps your R is less than 1, your value of R is less than 1, the formula to apply is different. When you are given a GP and get the value of R as that R you got, that value of R you got is greater than 1, there's a what formula to apply to that. So if you have R as being 10 or 8 or 9, depends on is that value less than R or below R. So that's the important idea behind using the formula of GP. So I'm saying this, please. When it comes to GP, for case 1, for case 1, for case 1, if the value of R, right, if I have the value of R as the value of R is greater than 1, if the value of R is greater than 1, like let's say for instance R is 2 or 4 or 10 or 15 upward, then the formula I apply here is different. The formula is given by Sn equals A into Rn minus 1 all over R minus 1, please. R minus 1. Rn. Alright. R minus 1. So I have this place. So in a case whereby you are given a GP and after getting your R, the value of R is perhaps, let's say the value of R is 2, 3, 4, whatever letter value there. So far that the value is greater than 1, use this what expression. But in a case whereby the value is less than 1, right? Let's suppose that 1 over 2 is the value of R. You can't use this man, right? So for case 2, when the value of R is less than 1, perhaps 1 over 2, right? What do you use there? Xn is equal to, so if you can know this, you can know this one here. It's simple. A into, so you swap it. This one comes out first. 1 minus R to power n all over, swap it here. This one gives you 1 minus R. So these are like the two mathematical expression you use when it comes to solving problem under GP. So a case whereby the value of R is more than 1, a case whereby the value of R is less than 1. These are the two mathematical representation you use in the concept of GP. So having said this, let's take some sample problems under GP and see which formula to apply or which formula best fits these examples. So example 1, so here's tax. About difference, this and this are not the same thing. So know when to use whichever one there. So example one here, it says find the sum of the first 9 terms of GP. Find the sum of the first 9 terms of the GP. The value here is given by 3, 9, 27, 81, dot dot dot. So I'm asked to find the 9 term here of this GP. So it means if I count this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, what will be at that 9th position? I'm asked to find. That's the meaning. So in this case here, to find the 9th term of this stuff here, these are there. Listen, they won't tell you this one is in exam. They won't tell you this you are using some of AP. No, some of GP. No. By your question, you should be able to determine which to use. In this case here, I'm seeing GP. I'm seeing sum. My task is this. I'm applying what there? Sum of AP. So the technical part here is that which one am I applying? I'm having two expressions here. So which one best fits this problem? I said the condition here is your R. Your R determines which one to use in these two. So my task says that let's get the value of R and observe closely for this particular, for the two of them. For these two of them, I need three things. I need N, R, and A. So observe that the some common thing here is N, A, and R. That's all. So it means for this problem now, I need to know the value of A, value of N, and value of R. So in this case, we just said A it signifies first term. First term is simply the number that comes first. In this GP here, number that comes first is 3. So I'm having 3 as my first term. N is what? The n term I'm asked to look for. So N is 9. R is said to be common ratio. And we said to get R, you are simply dividing what? Second term from what? The first term, which is 3, yeah? So of course I'll have what? 3 as my answer. Now, therefore, in this case here, R is equal to 3. If R is 3, then which formula am I applying this to? We said when R is more than 1, apply this. In this case, R is 3. If R is 3, does it mean that R is more than 1? Of course, yes. 3 is more than 1. So in this case, I'll apply this one here. I can't apply this. If R perhaps is 1 over 2, it means that 1 over 2 means is less than 1. So I'll apply this. But R here is more than 1. In this case, I'll apply this mathematical expression. So recall that we said for the sum of GP Sn is equal to A into Rn minus 1 all over R minus 1. Substituting, this gives you Sn is equal to A, first term, that's 3, right, into R is 3 to the power of what? N. What's N? Okay, N is 9, 3 to the power of 9 minus, of course, 1 all over R is 3 minus 1. Working on this, it means that, sorry, N is 9. So it means that I'll be using 9 in this place. N is 9. So the sum of the 9 terms so is equal to 3 into 3 to the power 9 minus 1 all over 3 minus 1. In this case, breaking this down, 3 into 3 to the power 9, 3 to the power 9, Alright, 3 to the power 9 here gives you about 19,683. So minus this particular one here. If I separate from 1, I'll have that 3 into 19682 as my value. So I'm saying that the sum of the 9th term of this GP is equal to, multiply these two. If I multiply 3 by 19682, that gives about 59,000 um 59,046. So that's my value here. So the ninth term of this GP, of the sum of this GP, is 59046 as the value. So I'll give you one last question. Take an assignment and leave the answer in the comment section of this video. So I'll give one last question. This is an assignment, and I'll give you a response if you're correct or wrong. So question 2, okay, assignment question 2. So I'm saying that the formula to use depends on your R. So please, R is what play important role here. So if R is less than 1, it's the one I wrote down here is what to use. If R is more than 1, the one I wrote up here is what to use. So yes, I did. If R is more than 1, the formula changes. It means that Rn minus 1 over R minus 1. But if R is less than 1, you now swap it. Is that? So Abi? Yeah, Abi? Yeah, Abi? No, okay. Yeah, it's true. Thank you. Yeah, yes. All right. So in this case here, before I proceed with assignment, we just said 3 is 3, yeah? 3 to the power 9 is this value, minus 1 is this, 1 is this. We just forgot 3 minus 1, right? That's crazy. So in this case here, so this one means divided by 3 minus 1, of course, gives you 2. So divided by 2. This is not my final answer. I have to break this down. What? Divided by 2. So divide this value by 2. It means that the sum of the ninth term of this sequence, sorry, of this GP will be equal to 59046 divided by 2. That gives you 29,523. All right, let us solve this, please. So mind you, please don't forget to the common mistake, please. So always observe what you are solving. So see you guys next class. So before then, I'll give you an assignment. So this is the answer to this question, please, not what we got initially. All right, so let's take an assignment. All right, the question says the first term and the common ratio, the first term and the common ratio of GP are 4 number 1 over 2 and 3 number, sorry, 3 over 2 per se, 3 over 2 respectively. Calculate the sum of the first 4 terms. All right. So to give you an hint to this question, it says the first term and the common ratio of GP are this and this respectively. In science, when you use the word respectively, it means order of arrangement, or perhaps order of position. In this case here, first term came first before common ratio. So it means that the number that comes first is corresponding to what there, the first term. The second value is what corresponds to what there, the common ratio. So I'm saying that 4 number 1 over 2 is your first term, that's A. The 3 over 2 is your common ratio, that's R. All right. calculate the sum of the first four terms. So it means that the n here is 4 in this case. So I've given an int. Now the question is this, please. 3 over 2 is r. Question, is 3 over 2 less than 1 or greater than 1? Question, 3 over 2, is it less than 1 or greater than 1? So that becomes your task. So do this as an assignment and leave your answer to the comment section. So for you to fill this question is for you to determine, is this 3 over 2, is it less than r? Is it less than 1 or greater than 1? If you can't determine that, then you apply the wrong formula to use. So get this done and leave your answer in the comment section of this video. Do well to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share this to your friends and classmates so they can learn too. See you guys in the next class, and welcome to Excellent Link Academy.
Hold on. Before you continue this lesson, I need to tell you something important. If you've been struggling with studying, losing motivation, or you feel like you're working hard, but your results aren't showing, this is for you. I recently released a powerful book titled The Shortcut to Academic Success. It is a simple, practical guide that shows you exactly how to study smarter, stay focused, remember more, and achieve outstanding results without stress. This book is not theory. It's a step-by-step roadmap I created after years of teaching students and understanding what truly works. Inside, you'll discover proven study techniques, exam strategies, productivity hacks, memory boosters, and secrets top students use every day. Whether you are in secondary school, university, or preparing for any exam, this book will transform the way you learn and help you reach your academic goals faster. And the best part? It costs only 2,000 Nigerian nairas, less than the price of a snack, but the value inside can change your entire academic journey. If you truly want to upgrade your grades and finally take control of your learning, don't wait. Get your copy of The Shortcut to Academic Success today. Your future self will thank you. Before we continue this lesson, I want to share something that will make your learning experience even better. I now have exclusive channel memberships designed to help you learn faster, get direct support, and access premium content you won't find in my regular videos. The first level is the support membership. If you enjoy my lessons and want to support the channel while getting special perks, this is for you. It's a simple way to show appreciation and help me continue creating high-quality educational content. The second level is the WAEC and JAMB classes membership. If you're preparing for WAEC or JAMB, this membership gives you structured lessons, practice questions, exam strategies, and step-by-step guidance to boost your performance. The third level is the 100-level students membership. This is perfect for secondary school students who want organized, easy-to-understand lessons in physics, chemistry, mathematics, and other subjects. And finally, we have the YouTube Mastery membership. If you want to learn how to grow on YouTube, how to create content, edit videos, design thumbnails, and monetize your channel, this membership will guide you from beginner to creator. Whatever stage you are in, there's a membership designed to help you learn smarter, improve faster, and stay ahead. To join, simply click the membership link in the video description. Choose the level that matches your goals and start enjoying all the exclusive benefits. Before we continue, let me quickly share something that can change your entire online journey. I just launched a complete YouTube Mastery course, a step-by-step training designed to help beginners start and grow a successful YouTube channel using only their smartphone. In this course, I break everything down in simple, practical lessons. No expensive camera, no studio, no complicated equipment, just your phone and the right knowledge. You will learn how to create quality videos, design engaging thumbnails, write perfect titles, choose the right niche, understand the YouTube algorithm, and grow your channel from zero, even if you've never created a video before. If you want to become an online teacher like me, this course will guide you on how to teach online, record lessons, explain concepts clearly, and attract the right audience. And if you want to create content in any other field, lifestyle, motivation, entertainment, business, this course will still show you the exact steps to succeed. All the lessons are pre-recorded, well-organized, and easy to follow. You can watch them at your own pace, anytime, anywhere. So, if you've been dreaming of starting a YouTube channel but didn't know how to begin, this is your opportunity. This course will take you from beginner to confident creator. The link to get the YouTube Mastery course is right there in the video description. Click it and start your YouTube journey today. Before we continue with this lesson, I'm excited to announce that I just launched my official website, a complete learning platform designed to help you study smarter, learn faster, and access high-quality educational resources anytime you need them. On the website, you'll find several well-structured courses created to guide you step by step through the most important topics. First, we have Organic Chemistry for Beginners, a simple, beginner-friendly course that breaks down organic chemistry into easy explanations anyone can understand. Next, there are WAEC and JAMB classes, specially designed to help you pass your exams with confidence using clear lessons, solve questions, and exam strategies. We also have the Physics tutorial for Year 1 students, covering foundational concepts you must master in your first year of higher education. And for anyone who wants to grow online, there is a complete course on how to start, grow, and earn on YouTube using only your smartphone. This course gives you everything you need to begin your YouTube journey without expensive equipment. There is also a book section on the website where you can get all my educational books, including the shortcut to academic success. My website is now your one-stop platform for science tutorials, exam preparation, YouTube training, and learning resources that can transform your academic and digital journey. To explore all the courses and get your copy of the books, simply click the website link in the video description.